Hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we want to talk about Amazon today and see if this stock has further the fall, because if it does they have, I am here to show you all right. I am here to get us all prepared about where prices are going to in the stock market without the confusion. I mean, so many other people get you all hold in these times for the next 50 years because they have done some type of fundamental now, so they did some discount cash flow and to completely went against what they thought for. So now these individuals who have given you this a discount of cash flow or has granted to try to figure out what is the background of the stock for these fundamentals of the company, who have to come back in the and manipulate their numbers to convince you that this is going to go now. I don't do that. I come to and look at what people have already done with their own cash every time someday comes into the market. Guess what? They go to either buy or sell, whether is the person who can only buy on share or the massive conglomerates of finance institution who come in and buy millions of shares. All of their ideas is already here on the chart. So why do I need to focus is in on earnings and revenue and inflation and recession and supply chain constraints when all I had to do look at what everyone else is trying to do, put their own money? Yes, that's how you are able to win. That is the competitive events that we have amongst everybody else in the market, and I stand on that. I have day in so you all that you don't have the focus in all of nonsense prices in the news what people do on everyday trading day. That is the actual news that we need to paying attention to check it out. You guys want to join me, hit the like and said it will also subscribe here to my channel. I would also definitely recommend it if you tap that will in the case, because you do not want to miss our my new content. I am ahead of the game and I want you to all be ahead of the game too. So look, I did a video in Amazon, so it's been about a month, right? And I was suspecting the price to go down and it went massively lower than what my price target was. That well, just cool, because this is the name of the game. We are to make money. That's everyone objective in the stock market, is to make money. Now if you are trying to make money, if in the next 50,000 years, that they good. If you can't make money on the shorter time frame, then why not? Why do you want to hold the style for 5 years if you could come through it consistently make 9%, 10%, or even if I were to get on the last trade of yesterday 23% constantly? This is what I am talking about. I don't understand why people want to come if and hold stocks for 5 years. They are only telling retail traders or retail investors to hold these stocks for 5 years. This other companies, these hedge funds that don't hold these styles for 5 years, they come in, make the money and they move out. But they want to regular individual to come in and hold stocks of 5 years, and nobody as of yet has granted the attention as the where is the world do they get 5 years from, like that magical numbers 5 years. Why not 7.19, 10.1 or 13 years? Like why is it always 5 years, 5 to 10 years? Take it out. We are down right in Amazon, so obviously we can see price further fall. Of course we can. That would be crazy for someone and to say that when we have already seen Amazon fall from the high of, so we already seen the value of this stock for 43%. So now you are going to start to see videos of you return and you coming is buy the tips. This is what they are going to do. And look for the market in Amazon has gone like we are literally standing at the top of mountain and we are trying to make our way back down, and there's no question as to how this price can go in Amazon. So I can crossing to be buying or those tips, especially we still see weakness. Okay, now right here is the one of the initial basis of support is going to be okay. We will want to see buyers hold this level in Amazon. Now look at the that's so going forward our attention need to be is looking at buyers coming in a market right here, because if the buyers are coming into the market right here is Amazon, guess what? We need to buyers through just that. If the buyers are not coming at that price, we should now to buyers. Okay, it's just that simply is not hard to. Now let's say that the buyers don't hold. there, where do you think the next level would be? Where do you think it will be? 1600, that would be the next level for us to come and try to find a support, for us to try to come in and find the buyers. Okay, so we got $1716 for us to try to find buyers. We are in fall, we are in free fall. Okay, this is Amazon on the 5 weeks, and to get the last 5 weekly prices warrantly for us to think that market is done fatting. It's crazy, it's asthma to think that this 5 weekly prices bar tells us that there's still a lot of individuals, people, companies selling this, not like they don't want to price up. There's no more basically what the files would be principal look like. They don't want to hold it up there. Let's say that we are to see prices in Amazon so same strength. Mary, let's say that it seems as if the market is going to contain the pop and go up. That's cool, but this is not of the environments to waste that. I am cool, I am holding to this $4000 against. This is a totally different environment in Amazon. Then next restriction level, it's gonna to be around 25 to 20. Okay, look at this is the 3 months. Look at that, things have changed. This is not the same market to where we saw a massive run up in Amazon. What about the 5 months? Look at, we have 7 more days then and 9 hours left, and we are definitely over the last 5 months. This is what the price what looks like. So look at this. Look, this is why I wanted to show you how important it is for us to see market buyers come in around 200, because it will brings us right here at the crossroads. That's where we need to see the market buyers come in, because it will keep us in line with this trade that we started back in 2015. If the market in Amazon break that trend that started back in 2015, almost 7 years ago, this is no longer a bull market. I am the same, there is no longer a bull market. This so in now the time to start a situation. We have not seen the price in Amazon come down to this trend since 2015. Okay, so now what do you think? What do you think? So now I am going to expect the price in Amazon to continue to follow them. I am gonna look forward. We may not have further to them, right? Let's keep it real, just keep it a book. Buyers could actually come around $2000. That's the best outcome that we can't get from the massive decline that we have seen recently. Is for the buyers are coming around $2000. The worst scenario would be for us the break the trend will be for us to break this long term trend in the market is Amazon. The dynamics has changed, it has massively changed. The market is telling us that we people who are involved in Amazon is telling us that they don't see the market to same as when they did back in 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. They don't see the market the same anymore. 20 changed, and until we see buyers come back into the market, we have to expect the Amazon's going to continue to fall. Okay, so the first price target, like I said, it is what 2000. That gives us still 7 and 3/4 of recent movement to the downside. That is the best outcome. That, like I told you earlier, the best outcome of the second price target, you guys can't remember, was around $17. Okay, was the around 21%. Now I know many people only leave me a comment in the conversation is impossible. Amazon will never come down to $7,000, $6,000. Okay, you can't believe that because you are probably was thinking that's something when the price was around $3,000. You probably never thought that price would be around 2000 a day. And here we are. So this is my second price target. First one is right there around 2000. Second one's around 17. Third is around $6,000. You guys can see it already. We would break the trend. Okay, so now we are going to continue to play the week as it market in Amazon. So guys, the video will be end. Thanks for watching.